Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's menu we have baked fish, mashed potato, roast and steamed veggies, and some avocado. And here are the ingredients. So I'm going to blend up some of my seasoning to put on the fish. So let's prepare them. You don't need to cut them too small, just cut them big in a chunks and dash them in the little cup or your blender thingy, whatever you have. Add little oil and blend him up. If you want to smell this thing. Here is my regular seasoning that I'll be using. Add a little salt and some black pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the little fishes. Don't just rub the seasoning on the outside, rub it on the inside too. Cause we said thoroughly season with food. Cause if you not season your food good, then it not gonna taste good. So please season your food good. Add the little blend up on it. I'm telling you, this step right here, maximum flavor. Yeah. So if you never do it, just try it. Guys, I forgot to do this step, which I should have done before I seasoned the fish. But guess what? It's never too late. So just put 2 slits on each side of the fish and rub some seasoning in the slit. Alright, so let's peel and cut up our vegetables that we will be using. I'm cutting them in strips. Now cut them too fine or else them are going to shrink or shrivel up when you bake them. Pour some oil in the bottom of the baking tray. Lay out your vegetables. You know, you want to get the oil all over the tray. So yeah, rock him from left to right, right to left. Add a little salt. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, the salt here weak like. And then place your fish on top of the vegetables. Comment down below and tell me if you like fish. Do you like fish? Put them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and then check them and then put it back for about 8 to 10 minutes. Look on them, guys. Look at them. See how under the bottom nice and well sort out. Check out the vegetables. Veggies are only say juicy. Nice. The mashed potato cook and ready, so just drain off the water. And make us sort it out. Add some butter. And use your potato masher or even a fork. Use whatever you have to crush the potato. Crush, crush, crush. Get it nice and creamy. Some people add milk, but I don't want any milk in there. Now check me out. Look for my friend Fishy, glistening and all. You can prepare some gravy on the side, but it's not necessary because of all that goodness that was in the baking tray. Yeah, no gravy not necessary. This was one of those Sunday dinner that I didn't want any rice or anything, you know, with too much calories, but it was still absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you all, beautiful people. Thanks for watching.